सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. Page 116, 11th chapter, first shloka. ईक्षितृत्वं स्वतः सिद्धं, ईक्षितृत्वं स्वतः सिद्धं जन्तूनां च ततोऽन्यताम् अज्ञानादित्यतोऽन्यत्वम् सदसीति निवर्त्यते. In this Ikshitritva Prakaranam, Shankaracharya is going to talk about Sakshi, and this knowledge is possible only through Jnanam. The first topic is Sakshi Ikshitritvam, that is Atmanaha Sarva Sakshitvam. I, the Atma, I am the witnesser of everything. He is going to establish that. We are seeing from previous chapters also about Sakshi. Some more points he want to highlight in this chapter also. I am Sarva Sakshi. I am the witnesser of everything in this universe. First topic. Second topic, Jnanat evat kaivalyam. Without the support of any karma, Jnanam alone gives self-knowledge. That he is going to explain. So he introduced the first two topics in the first shloka and second shloka. Then from third shloka he elaborates the first topic. Then he goes to second topic. Just I have introduced the shloka, now I have to give the meaning to this shloka. Ikshitritvam svatasiddham jantunam. Jantunam means for all people. Jantunam means we should not take any animal here, because no animal come and sit in Upadesha Sahasri class. So let us consider Jantu, Jayate iti Jantuhu. That which born is called Jantu. Since we are all born, therefore we are called Jantus. We should not feel bad when Shankaracharya used that derivative meaning. Since we are born, we are all called Jantus. Jantunam, for all human beings. Ikshitritvam, witnesshood. Ikshitritvam means Sakshitvam ityartha. Another name for Sakshitvam. Ikshitritvam swatasiddham. Swataha means it is present, naturally present in everyone. I am the witnesser, I am the knower, I am the awarer. That is naturally there. It is not borrowed from anyone, from anywhere. I know, I am aware of, I witness, I observe, I experience. Naturally it is there. Swataha siddham. Siddha means available. Naturally accomplished status for every one of us. Naturally accomplished status. Namakku or status irukku. Ordinary status irukku illiyo, Sakshitvam status is there. Given by the Lord. Naturally. Swataha siddham. Tataha anyata ajnanat iti. Tataha anyata means, tataha means here, this is pratigna shloka. He says tataha means sakshitva anyata, other than the witness status. Tataha means other than this sakshi status, observer status. Anyata means kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, pramatrutvam, doership, the doership, enjoyership, what are all there? other than Sakshitvam. I am Sakshi, but we don't say, who are you? And I am Sakshi, we don't say. I am the doer, I am the cleaner, I am the walker, I am the eater, doer of something I say. I introduce myself. I am enjoyer. Now I am enjoying something, music, dance or food. So we always claim other than Sakshitvam. We always claim what? I am the doer of so and so action, I am enjoyer of so and so object. Kartrutvam bhoktrutvam is called tattva anyata, sakshitva anyata. This kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam all are because of ajnanat. Second line. These are all these statuses, not one status. Kartrutva status, bhoktrutva status, even pramatrutva status. Knower of so and so object. That pramatrutva status also belongs to only ahankara because of ajnana, ignorance. Ajnanat iti. Up to here, within inverted commas, you can put. Tatonyata ajnanata, kartrutvam bhoktrutvam. Anyata means kartrutvam bhoktrutvam other than sakshitvam. They are all because of ignorance. Therefore what? How to remove this ignorance? Sat asi iti. Sadasi iti. Tattvamasi la Sat Brahma Tvamasi. Sadeva Saumya Idamagra Asit Ekameva Dvitiyam. Having introduced that Sat, Tat, Om Tat Sat we say. Tat Sat Tvameva Tvamasi. Tad Asi Sat Asi iti. Sad Asi iti means that Sat Brahma you are. Mahavakya. Chandogyopanishad Tattvamasi Mahavakya. Tattvamasi Dane Swami Nirika Sat Asi Anga Illena. That Tat is called Sat. That is known as Sat. Many of us won't remember. In Bhagavad Gita, end of the chapter, Om Tat Sat, iti Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Even Bhagavan Krishna also explained, Om Tat Saditi Nirdeshaha. It is my name, Arjuna. Tat Sat is my name. Therefore, instead of saying Tat Tvamasi, here Acharya using Sat. Sat means that Sat Brahma you are. Sadasi iti Tattvamasi iti. Guru says you are that Brahman. You are that pure existence. Sadasi iti ataha anyatvam nivartate. Anyatvam means kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, sakshi anyatvam. Anyatvam means sakshi anyatvam. That kartrutvam is not my nature, real nature. Bhoktrutvam is not my nature. Even pramatrutvam is not my nature. The anyatvam tat nivartyate sadasi iti. Sadasi iti. Mahavakyena, this ajnanam will go away. That kartrutva, bhoktrutva bhavana will go away. I am husband, I am wife, I am mother, I am father. That status is because of ajnanam. This is only superimposed. It is only for vyavahara I am doing. If you know and do vyavahara, there is no samsara. You can continue your vyavahara with roles, with that status. How you should continue? Knowingly that it is mithya only, it is only relative reality, vyavaharika satyam. For vyavahara I am doing, but that is not my real status. It is my vesham. Terinji panna, no problem. Theriyamale maatindirkonda ipo. Problem. Therefore he says, sadasiti nivartyate. By this knowledge, that anyatvam will go away. Other than sakshitvam. My natural status is sakshitvam. Witnesser. Doer is not my natural status. Enjoyer is also is not my natural status. What is not natural, what is extrinsic is always painful. Whatever is natural, it is natural. They are all like foreign body. Some foreign body goes into the mouth, nose. What you get? Sneezing comes. Eyes also, if there is any small dirt particle, foreign body goes, you get lot of water until it comes out. Best example. Okay. If you take any medicine, it gives side effects. In a foreign body. It gives side effects. So what is natural? That is natural. It is not extraneous, it is intrinsic. So body will accept. That's why after kidney operation, what they do? They reduce the immunity from the body. Because if there is immunity in the body, it will not accept that kidney which is newly transplanted. It will not accept. Therefore, what they do, give medicines to that poor fellow. Pavam. அவனுக்கு வந்து மெடிசின்ஸ் கொடுத்துட்டு என்ன immunity come down for what? To accept this kidney, new kidney. Because it is unnatural, extraneous. So immunity has to be come down. Since immunity is coming down, this person has to be protected himself or herself from so many things. Anything is natural is always acceptable. Anything is extraneous, unnatural, come in time and go in time, that is always painful. Kartrutvam comes in time, bhoktrutvam comes in time, pramatrutvam also comes in time, goes in time also. In sleep we are neither karta nor bhokta nor pramata. Therefore there is no any problem in sleep. But you are sakshi of that nidra. You are aware of that ananda nidra samaye. Ham na kinchid avedisham sukham aswapsam. I slept well, I don't know anything, sakshi was there. After waking up, became karta and telling, I enjoyed my sleep. So, sakshi is always there. Karta is not there in dream. Karta is not there in deep sleep. Not in dream. Karta is not there in deep sleep. But karta and bhokta both are in jagrat and swapna only. That's not my swatasiddham. They are unnatural. Once I get that knowledge, I am Sat Brahman, they are all my Vesham, they will not afflict me. Up to here we saw in the last class. Next shloka we will read. Shloka number 2. Etavadhyamrutatvam nam kinchidanyas sahayakam ज्ञानस्येति ब्रुवन् शास्त्रम् सलिङ्गं कर्म बाधते. Now Acharya introducing the second topic. So first topic, Sakshitvam is my real original nature, which is my intrinsic nature. Try to claim that nature. Sat Brahma Aham. I the Sakshi am Sat Brahma. Disclaim that Kartrutvam, Bhoktrutvam and all, they are not your real nature. Now he brings that new second topic. Jnanat evat kaivalyam. Kevala jnanena mokshaha without any karma support. That is the topic, second topic. Later he is going to elaborate. From third shloka onwards, he goes to explain the first topic. Then he takes the second topic. Now he introducing the second topic. From Brihadaranyaka Upanishad, Maitreyi Brahmanam, he introduced that word first, Etavadhi Amrutatvam. That is within inverted commas. Yajnavalkya says to Maitreyi, when Yajnavalkya want to take Vidvat Sannyasa, he want to distribute his property between Maitreyi and Katyayini, two wives. And this Maitreyi asked, by giving everything to both of us, where you are going, she asked. I am going for Atma Dhyanam, Nididhyasanam, Atma Chintana. For that Amrutatvam, I am going to contemplate on that. Then Maitreyi said, I will also come along with you. Because this money, processions and all, you are leaving, I also leave all of them. I don't want any possession. Then Katyayani is so happy. Whole property is coming to me only. And Ammaku romba santosham. So Maitreyi, then Yajnavalkya is so happy. So when Maitreyi asked, then he is talking about this Brahma Swarupam, Atma Swarupam. He says to Maitreyi, O Maitreyi, etavadhi amrutatvam, this much alone is immortality. Etavat means what here? Atma jnanam eva. What is that secret? You are leaving all of them and going for something you are having. Otherwise, how can you leave all of them? Nothing. Atma jnanam, he said. Etavadhi amrutatvam. Etavat means Atma jnanam eva. Amrutatva means here not immortality only. Literal meaning, direct meaning, immortality. But what is the contextual meaning here? We have to take Amrutatva sadhanam. Etavadhi amrutatva means Atma jnanam eva amrutatva sadhanam. Amrutatva means moksha. Moksha, for moksha, what is sadhanam? Only Atma jnanam. Etavat, etavadhi. That etavat shows jnanam alone. Atma jnanam alone is amrutatva sadhanam. Sadhanam means sadhanam. Nakinchid anyat sahayakam. Nothing else is required. Nothing is required to assist for Atma jnanam. Atma jnanam alone gives amrutatvam. No support of any other karma, rituals, upasana. Anyat kinchit sahayakam na asti. Anvaya you have to do like that. Asti to be supplied. Anyat kinchit sahayakam na asti. No other karakas are required. Karana karakam, karma karakam. No karaka is required. No accessories are required. Jnanasya iti bruvan shastram. For jnanam, for Atma jnanam, jnanasya, for Atma jnanam, no other assistance is required. Assistance of what? Any karma, any ritual, any upasana, any meditation, nothing is required. That means samuchayavada khandanam. This is jnana karma samuchayavada khandanam. Rejecting, refuting the karma assistance for Atma jnanam, Acharya boldly refuting everywhere, wherever opportunity comes, he does that only first. Kevala jnanena mokshaha nanyah pantha ayanaya vidyate. Jnanasya iti bruvan shastram. Jnanasya kinchid anyat sahayakam na asti. That is the translation of etavadhi amrutatvam. Atma jnanam alone is the sadhanam for amrutatvam. No other sadhanam is required for self-knowledge. Self-knowledge itself is sufficient to attain moksha. Who said? Shastram. Bruvan, having said this Shastram, what Shastra does indirectly? Salingam karma badhate. Shastra reject all types of karma along with its indications, clues. Salingam. No, even naam ke vasti kuda illamal. Even a wee bit of trace, of karma is required. That is the meaning of salingam karma badhate. Badhate means refuted. Karma is refuted, negated, rejected. Karma is required for purification. Purification of the mind. For jnana yogyata, not for jnanam. What are all salingam karma? Any karma whenever you do, first so and so varna. Varna is also a type of lingam, a clue. Brahmana, brahmana karma. Kshatriya, kshatriya karma. Jyotishtomene, swarga kamo yajayata. Like that, some from rituals. Another lingam, tuft, thread. These are all lingams. Wife is also another lingam. In a wife irundada panna mudiyum. All rituals. Therefore, wife is also a clue or indication for karma. Tuft is also a type of indication for karma. And wearing lot of rudraksha malai and wearing pattapattaya vipudi put, they are all lingams only. Karma. To do performance karma, everything, chandanam, buttu, ella vechikrom illiyo. These are all called lingams. Salingam badhate. You need not keep all these lingams because you need not do. When you come to Shravana Yoga, this is Shravana Yoga. That is called Jnana Yoga. Atma Jnanam alone gives Amrutatvam. So we don't want to do any sadhana here. Before class we do pranayama, meditation, not for Jnanam. I want to draw your attention. To draw your attention, to make your mind calm, just we do few rounds of pranayama, few minutes dhyanam, not for knowledge. After Sadashiva Samarambham only starts. What? Jnana Yoga. Jnana Vichara starts after Sadashiva Samarambham. Therefore, karma lingam badhate. Salingena, salingam karma. They are all negated. All sadhanas, all rituals, even Panchakacham. Panchakacham katvanle or dhoti or type. 9 ads sari. All these are not required. They are all only when you are doing rituals. We don't ask you come to class with Panchakacham. You come to class with 9 ads sari. We don't require. That and all you do at home only. When you are doing puja, when you are doing some rituals, they are not compulsory. If you want to wear, you wear and come. It doesn't matter. But they are not compulsory for Atma Jnana. Ninga Panchakacham kattala unak jnanam varadu solla maatam. If you don't wear 9 ads sari, you won't get. You wear jean pants or chudidar or sari or wear any dress, at least cover your body, that's all. Okay. It doesn't matter, you get Atma Jnanam. Salingam karma badhate. So, Bruvan Shastram, this is what Shastra says. Karma is not required to attain Atma Jnanam. Even sannyasi also. To get Atma Jnana, if sannyasi wears Rudraksha Mala only, he gets Atma Jnana. If you wear Vibhuti only, you get Atma Jnana. Sannyasi can wear, need not wear also. Okay, Mundanam, total cutting hair. If you do that only, you get moksha. You can have dadi, you can have jata, you can have, without hair, with hair also. That is also a linga, For sannyasa, ashrama people, they are also linga for their anushtana mandal. They are all not required. That's what he says. Salingam karma badhate. ज्ञानस्य इति सहायकं किंचित न अन्यत अस्ति हे मैत्रेयी. So Yajnavalkya said what? Etavadhi amrtatvam. Adiki evil explanation Acharya. Yajnavalkyani, he is showing in the zoom lens. Yajnavalkya's one word, one sentence, three words. Etavadhi amrtatvam. So Shankaracharya zooming. Now you got clarity. Etavadhi amrtatvam Purila. Acharya knows the difficulty of that mantras. Without any karma support, one can attain Atma Jnanam. Therefore, Jnana Karma Samuchaya is not required. Atma Jnanam doesn't require any other sadhanas. Atma Jnanam alone can give Amritatvam, Moksha. Atma Jnanam eva Amritatva sadhanam. Now we'll go to the first topic, Sakshi topic, Sakshitva Vishaya topic or Ikshitritva Vishaya topic. Shloka number 3. Sarvesha manaso vrittam avisheshena pashyatah tasya me nirvikarasya vishesha syat katham chana. Jnanat evat kaivalyam moksha. Why we want moksha? I want to come out of samsara. Kaivalyam comes because of jnanam. Samsara is because of what? Ajnanam. Ajnanat samsaraha, jnanat mokshaha. That is the essence of the previous month sloka. Now, in this third shloka, Acharya elaborately going to explain the Sakshi nature. That is my real nature. First, you require some background for this. Sakshi nature is that OC, RZ, RM. We have to go back to our formulas. Original consciousness, reflected consciousness, reflecting medium. In this reflecting medium, a reflection of Chit is formed. Chidabhasa is formed. The Chidabhasa alone is called Ahankara. In that Ahankara alone, doerhood, doership, enjoyership, all are taking place because of that ego or Ahankara. OC is Chit. This OC Chit is my real nature. RC is my reflection. Ahankara, which is Chidabhasa, my reflection. Reflection is real or unreal? Unreal. So my Chidabhasa is unreal. Chidabhasa, Ahankara, Kadr, Katrutvam, Bhoktrutvam, Pramatrutvam also unreal. What about Sakshi, original consciousness? Real. It is ever there. This is not real. It is formed. Chidabhasa is formed temporarily when you are interacting with the world. So Sakshi, Chaitanyam, directly cannot illumine the world. Sakshi Chaitanyam cannot witness that calendar directly. Witnesser, Sakshi Chaitanya means witness consciousness. Chaitanya means consciousness. Sakshi means witness. I am witnessing. I am conscious of that. Can Sakshi directly witness the calendar? Can Sakshi directly witness the light? Can Sakshi directly witness any object? No. Sakshi cannot directly illumine any object. Sakshi cannot witness any object directly. Then how Sakshi witness? Sakshi witness the object through the mind. Sakshi witness the mind first. Through the mind, Sakshi, first it illumines the mind. Illumining the mind is called witnessing the mind. Illumining, witnessing is not an action. It is not an action. Then what it is? It is sanidhya matrena. In my presence, O.C., mind gets reflection, reflected consciousness. Mind gets capacity to see the external objects. Through the mind, I illumine the object. Mind alone cannot illumine the object. Because mind has borrowed chit from the Chaitanyam, original consciousness. Having borrowed the chit from the Sakshi Chaitanyam, this mind becomes Chidabhasa. In Antakaranam, Chidabhasa is formed. Ahankara. That Chidabhasa illumines the object. That means what? Indirectly, Sakshi Chaitanyam, through the mind, it illumines the object. In a mind is inert. Mind has borrowed the sentiency from the consciousness, Chit. Therefore, mind cannot see the object, mind cannot illumine, means knowing the object. Therefore, who is knowing really? Chidabhasa Sahita Antakarana Ahankara, the individual alone is knowing, doing, enjoying, but these kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, pramatrutvam, all are superimposed upon me, this Sakshi. They are all superimposed upon me, adhyasa. Superimposed upon me, Sakshi. In me, original Sakshi, there is no kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, pramatrutvam. I lend sentiency to the mind. Mind gets illuminating capacity and knows the objects and cooking, doing lot of activities and saying, I am doing. And its all activities, functions are superimposed upon me, the Sakshi. Really, I, the Sakshi, cannot do anything. I, the Sakshi, cannot do anything because apani padam, achakshuhu, ashrotram, therefore I cannot do anything. In the mixture, in the Sakshi illumines the mind, mind gets that illumination capacity and then mind illumines the objects. And it illumines gives a capacity to sense organs, buddhi, body and does everything. Even a mechanism, thinking this ahankara is my real nature, karta I am, bhokta I am the knower, all these are all false. I am neither karta, bhokta or pramata. But they are all superimposed upon me, it's Sakshi Chaitanya. I am only just a witnesser. Look into the shloka now. I, the experiencer, I am Pashyataha. Pashyataha means experiencer. Of what? Sarvesham manasaha vrittam. I, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, am illuminator of all minds. I am the witnesser of all minds. All minds means of all people, all minds, I am the witnesser. Because I am there in the form of Sakshi in everybody, in every body. Therefore, I am the witnesser. Sarvesham manasaha vrittam. Vrittam means function, activity. Activity of sarvesham manasaha. Activity of all minds. How I am witnessing? Avisheshena, avisheshataha, avisheshena pashyataha. I am the witnesser of all minds, totally, completely, with attributes. Avisheshena means without being attributes, without having attributes, I witness all attributes. Avisheshena means I am witnessing without any attributes. I don't have any attributes. Avisheshena pashyataha. I am the experiencer of all minds without undergoing any change. Without undergoing any change. Tasya me nirvikarasya visheshaha nasyat kathanchana. Totally I am witnessing. Avisheshena means totally I am witnessing the function of all minds. When I am witnessing, am I undergoing any change? While witnessing, I am not undergoing any change. I, the witnesser, am not undergoing any change. Nirvikarasya tasya sakshinaha. Nirvikarasya changeless. I am the changeless. Visheshaha nasyat. There is no any change in me. Kathanchana. It is not prashnartham but aksheparthe kathamchana. By any manner, in any manner, without undergoing nirvikarasya me, I the Sakshi Chaitanyam who am originally changeless, kathanchana viseshaha nasyat. There will not be any change possibility in me. Viseshaha nasyat. No change is possible in me. Without undergoing any change, I witness all changes, functions, activities of the mind. In short, mind undergoing change. I witness the changing mind without undergoing any change. That is the essence of the shloka. I witness all the functions or activities of all minds. Totally, I witness all of them. Which I hear, I means original OC, higher I or lower I? Higher I, Lakshyartha I. I, the Lakshyartha I, witness all changing minds without undergoing any change. That is why I say, when I know this, I know that, I know little, I know better, I know so, I understand, I know my raga, I know my dvesha, I know my all emotions. The one who witness all emotions which are changing is free from change or not? Free from change. If he is Sakshi also changing, how that Sakshi, changing Sakshi can know morning mind different, afternoon mind is different? You cannot know because you are also changing along with that. That's why the one who witness must be changing, must be changeless to know all the changes. This is, you know that, just I am sharing with you. Okay, this is the meaning of this shloka. Therefore, what is the essence of this shloka? I am ever changeless Sakshi Chaitanyam, witnessing all changing, functioning minds of all. Correct or not? Correct. My own mind also. In the form of Sakshi in that body, I know. In the form of Sakshi in that body also, I know that mind. Means I witness the mind without undergoing any change. Next shloka. Manovrittam manaschaiva swapnava jagratikshituhu samprasade dvaya satvat chinmatra sarvago vyayah. Now he is comparing the entire Jagrat Prapancha with Swapna. Manovrittam manaschaiva. Manovrittam means the functions of the mind, all emotions happening in the mind. Manovrittam Manaha cha eva, mind and its functions. Mind and its functions. Manaha and mano vrittam. Swapnavat, you have to go to last word. After manovrittam manaschaiva, ikshituhu jagrati swapnavat. Ikshituhu, I see in Jagrat. I see in Jagrat. I see means I witness in Jagrat. Ikshituhu means a Sakshi Chaitanyam. I, Ikshituhu, I see in Jagrati, in Jagrat Avastha. What I see, what I witness, Manaha and Manovrittam. I witness my mind. Do you know your mind or not? Do you witness your mind? Yes. Do you witness your changing mind? Means activities going on in the mind. Are you witnessing or not? That is why problem, Swamini. If I won't witness, I don't have problem. Witnessing is, there is no problem. Identifying with that mind and that functions, manovrittam, is problem. Witnessing the mind and its activities, no problem at all. When you are seeing the serial, there is no problem. When you take it the serial serious, there is a problem, serious problem. Similarly, you take this kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, pramatrutvam of this body mind complex. Once you are mother, father, brother, my sister, that identification with the body, aham mama, aham mama, that identification is the problem. Claiming myself as karta, bhokta is the problem. Neighborizing the karta, bhokta to that ahankara, chidabhasa sahita antakarana, manaha, is different from me. Disclaim, disown. Like an object, you look at it. You are witnesser. You are the consciousness. You have given, you have lent that sentiency to that mind. And mind borrowed sentiency from you and starting doing lot of activities and became karta, bhokta, and you are taking that kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam upon you and kada kadaya, not sufficient this serial and seeing that serial also. And that serial is not coming that at that day. If anyone comes on that day, that time, serial time, I become so serious. Why? Serial is serial, but you have become so serious because I love it. I like it. Similarly, this life serial also, husband, wife dialogue is a serial. Children, parents dialogue is a serial. Episode number 2. Wife, husband dialogue is episode number 1. Then Kutti Potachilio, episode number 2. Then grandchildren, episode number 3. Like this, episodes are go on increasing. Why can't you look at that episodes are episodes? Why you are taking those episodes as your real life? That is called adhyasa. Claim you are Sakshi Chaitanyam. I am Ikshituhu. I am the one who witness. Witnessing what? Mind like as an object which has borrowed sentiency from me and functioning and doing activities. Watch your mind. That's why sometimes in meditation I ask you, watch your mind. Watch your mind. Shastram only I am teaching in meditation also. Understand? Don't sleep in the meditation. Even that few minutes meditation, I am just revising Shastric statements. Watch your mind, distance your mind, see it as an object. You, the subject, the Sakshi Chaitanyam, can never be the object because it is observed by you. The observed mind is not the observer. I, the Sakshi, am the observer, witnesser. The witnesser of the mind is witnessed. Mind functions are witnessed. Therefore, don't become one with the mind. Ikshituhu jagrati manaha manovritvam swapnavat. Swapnavat. It is like a dream. Just as in dream, mind projects so many objects. Mind projects where from elephant is coming in dream. From your own mind only. Jagradavasthayam yadrishtam yachrutam tadjanita vasanaya nidra samaye yat prapancham pratiyate sa swapnavastha. That elephant only comes, that picture only comes in the dream also. Therefore, swapnam, drishyam is unreal. Similarly, in swapna, they are all happening because of mind. They are all happening because of your own mind. Vasanas are just thrown out from the mind. The objects are all coming from the mind. Then in Jagrata Avastha also, they are all thrown out from where? Mind only. Jagrati swapnavat manaha manovrittam jagrati api swapnavat. In Jagrata also, when you look at the tube light is. Who is seeing there? Manaha. Manovrittam, activity happening. White bulb, tube light, black fan. Who is seeing that? Mind. Is it not manovrittam? Is it not the mind function? Now sound you are hearing. Who knows that? Mind knows. Mind is the pramata there. Mind is knowing. That is the function of the mind. Manas manovrittam. What are all mind is knowing, all these functions belongs to the mind. Mind are you. But we are not telling it is belong to the mind. Just as they belong to the mind in the swapna, same way you should say they belong to the mind only. Now Sakshi is listening the class or mind is listening to the class? Mind only listening. Sakshi cannot listen. Sakshi is enlivening the mind to listen. Sakshi is enlivening the mind, inert mind, to listen the class through the Sakshi. Antakaranam, Chidabhasa Sahita. Antakaranam is the Pramata, knower of the Pancha Upadesa Sahasri class. And what I say? I am the knower of Upadesa Sahasri. Really, I am the Sakshi Chaitanyam, illumining the mind. Mind alone is the Pramata, knower. Sakshi is only illuminator of that mind which is hearing the Upadesa Sahasri class. But what I say? I am hearing. I am knowing. I am sitting in the class. I am the doer. Sitting action I am doing. I am enjoying the class. Bhokta. This I am is Sakshi Chaitanyam or lower I. Mix பண்ணியாச்சு நம்ம. நான் கேட்டவனே சொல்லுவேன். But when you are interacting with the world, but we forget this Sakshi Chaitanyam and lower I Ahankara, this bifurcation we forget. Remember and do the action. Jagati, Jagrati, Swapnavat Ikshituhu. Now, this is another dream. As Gaudapada said in Karikas, Mandukya Karikas, this whole waking world is also another Swapnam. Two dreams. Now class is also dream Swamini. Amma. Dream in the sense what? It is not absolutely real. It is Vyavaharika Satyam. It is also another type of dream. Because it is not absolutely real. It is also coming from the mind only. That mind is eliminated by me, the Sakshi Chaitanya. Ikshituhu. Samprasade dvayam dvayasatvat. In deep sleep, Samprasade. Samprasadam, not prasadam. Samprasadam means deep sleep. In deep sleep, dvayasatvat. Dvaya means all those two, Jagrat and Swapna, both of them, asatvat, since they are not there, asatvat, then who is there? Chinmatraha sarvagaha avyayaha. In deep sleep, swapna is not there, waker is not there, mind is not functioning at all. Since mind and manovrittam and mind both are not there, Jagrat and Swapna are not there, I am in deep sleep, both are absent. Then who am I that time? Am I Karta? Am I Bhokta or Pramata? I don't know anything. I am Sarvagaha, all pervading, Avyayaha, declensionless, Chinmatraha, pure consciousness. Without any husbandhood, motherhood, fatherhood, sleeperhood also. You don't remember when you are sleeping, you are sleeping. Even sleeperhood also is not there. That is why my status is there in what form? Chinmatra. Chinnu matra. Chinna matra illa. Chideva matra. I am pure existence without any kartrutvam, bhoktrutvam, pramatrutvam. I am not having any status there. Next shloka, 5. Swapna satyo yatha bodham dehatmatvam tathaiva cha pratyakshade pramanatvam Jagrat Syadatma Vedanat. Simple and very nice shloka. He says, these are all based on Swayam Jyoti Brahmanam of Brihadaranyaka Upanishad. Yatha, just as Abodhat Swapnaha Satyaha Bhavati. As long as you are not woken up, you are in dream. First you have to go to sleep. You have not woken up. You are dreaming in the dream. Abodhat means you have not woken up. You are in sleep. In that sleep you are dreaming. Swapnaha satyaha bhavati. In dream, for dreamer, dream is real. Swapnaha satyaha bhavati. Dream becomes real for a dreamer. Why? Abodhat, not woken up. Still he is sleeping. That's why dream has come. Tatha eva cha dehatmatvam. Tatha eva cha. Similarly, in the same manner, tatha eva cha dehatmatvam. I am this body, bhavana. Deha, dehaha eva atma. I am this body alone. I am mind alone. My mind, my body. Body abhimanam, deha abhimana, mana abhimana, kutumba abhimana. So abhimana, so much abhimana. Dehatmatvam. Just as in dream, for a dreamer, dream is real. For a waker, waker's body, waker's mind is real. Why? Second line. Pratyakshadehe pramanatvam jagrat syat. Jagrati syat. Pratyakshadehe pramanatvam jagrati syat. When you are in Jagrata Avastha, in waking state, you have not woken up to your real Atma Swarupa. You are in waking state. All these Pratyaksha Pramanams, they are all also, they maintain their Pramanatvam status. They are all real for you. What is real? My eyes are real. My ears are real. All Pramanams only. No? Panchagnanendriyani Pramanani. Pratyaksha Pramanam. Directly I am seeing all of them. They are all real. Pratyakshadehe Pramanatvam. All these what I am seeing, they are all directly I am seeing through some pramanam, through my knowledge, through my sense organs, through my intellect, through my buddhi, mind, etc. Jagrat syad. Jagrati syad. As long as you are in waking state, this all is real. Why? Until you wake up, where na vedanat, you have to supply atma vedanat nasyad. Once you wake up to your real nature, once you wake up from the dream, dream disappears or not? Dream disappears. Dream is dream for waker. Dream is not dream for dreamer. Dreamer do not know that is dream. Dream is not dream for dreamer. Dream is a dream for waker. Waker is not a waker for a waker. Waker is real for a waker when he is a waker. Puriyarado? Wakerhood, Jagrata Avastha, waker is real for waker in waking state. Waker is real for waker in waking state. Dreamer is real for a dreamer in dream state. Yes? Same way, waker is real for waker in waking state. When is waker is unreal, waking world is unreal for waker. When dream is unreal for dreamer, when he wakes up, when he becomes waker. When is the waking state is unreal for waker? When he wakes up to his Sakshi nature, Atma Swarupam. So wake up, Uttishtata Jagrata. Wake up. What, Swamini? Are we sleeping? Ajnana is a sleep. Ajnana is a type of sleep. Until you wake up, you know your real nature, you are in another dream. This is waking dream. You are in waking dream. This waking world and these pramanams, all these pratyaksham, what are all? Real. Very, very solidly, tangibly real. As long as you are in waking state. Now you have to wake up. You have to wake up to your Atma Swarupam. Then waker status, waker world, waking state, waking world, wakerhood, all are unreal. Another dream. Very nice to listen, but very difficult to assimilate. Try, 1 week time is there, try to assimilate. You can. Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vasishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om.